Sir, please come to the vlog. Yeah. Hi. Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be about my trekking, which I went along with my colleagues. This trekking is very special to me, so I thought that I will just give an intro about this trekking, how blessed I am to have gone for this trekking. So the place that I went for trekking is called Palamalai Hills. It is located around 25 to 30 kilometers from Coimbatore. The month of Aswin is known as Purattasi in Tamil. I hope my pronunciation is correct, and if it is not, then I apologize. This month of Purattasi falls between September and October, and it is of a very significant month in Tamil calendar because it is believed that Lord Vishnu descends on earth during this time. For this year, 4 Saturdays are falling in this month, and devotees will be crowded in this significant 4 temples, which include the famous Balaji Temple, Namakkal Narasimha Temple. Then the third one is Palamalai Ranganathar Temple and the local Perumal Vishnu temples. So this year's the auspicious 4 Saturdays fall on 20th and 27th September, then on 4th and 11th of October. So for this trekking, we happened to went on 27th September. So without wasting any more further time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end, how 8 hours trekking looks like. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Right now it's 5:30 a.m. You can see from the window that the sun has not yet even came out. So today's vlog is going to be an adventurous vlog. We will see whether I could complete it or not, because it will take like around 2.5 hours climb to reach the top, and again another 2 hours to come downhill. So it's going to be a very challenging trek, but I'm determined. So let's see how it goes. So this is how the campus is looking right now. Wow. Just listen to the sound of the birds. Yeah. That's it.
उठा के लेके जाए।
चित्रा को लेके जा सकता है, मेरे को नहीं लेके जा सकता।
नहीं, 2-3 आ जाएंगे। बट कभी काटते नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा स्नेक बाइटिंग का केस नहीं हुआ।
वेनमस वाला भी काटते।
So sir, please tell me something about this place. Please say. Please say.
This is the 8th time we are coming, but in this route, this is first time for us. Thank you for joining us.
And this is our entire team. Sir, please come to the vlog. Yeah. Hi. चलते रहो, चलते रहो. Come. It's not opening. It's not opening. Oh yeah.
He is doing drama for video.
Sugar supply. Put it in the pocket.
Breathe with nose. Breathe with nose.
We might have reached halfway. It's that proper jungle. Yeah, that's the top.
You got missed it. But I. Take me also. No, take selfie. People are telling me that now it's not that far away, and that is giving me instant energy boost. Hey. Almost how more far it is? 10 to 15 minutes.
The stick that I've been using to climb this huge mountain. I can't open my eyes. मैं गिरने वाली थी अभी. This is really steep.
So guys, as you can see, now we are nearing the end of our trekking. You can see a lot of people resting, and there we can see the vehicles and the roads, and overall it was a very good experience. And by this time it was 4:30 p.m. So yeah, we trekked for nearly 8 hours, and I'm looking it up for the one last time how big and high it was. So that's it guys, we are back on our journey, and if you like this video then please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.